Welcome to KBI Education. Does it look the same? Learning objectives of the lesson. Number 1. Make patterns. Number 2. Mirror half of the objects. Number 3. Turn of the shapes. Let's make patterns from a drop of colors. Look at the pattern A and pattern B. I have made these patterns from a drop of colors. You can make them too. Make your pattern. First, take a sheet of paper. Second, fold it into half. Third, open the fold and put a drop of color on the middle line. Fourth, fold it twice and press it to spread the color.
Fifth, open it and see a beautiful pattern. Question 1. Can you cut this pattern in such a way that you get two similar mirror halves? Answer yes. Question 2. In how many ways can you do it? Answer only one way. Mirror halves. Look at the pattern. In this pattern, the dotted line divides the shape into two halves. But if you fold it along the dotted line, the left half does not cover the right half completely. So the two halves are not mirror halves. Now look at another shape. If you fold it along the dotted line, one half will cover the other similar half completely. So the two here are mirror halves. So, finally we reach in the conclusion that the shape is called mirror halves when the one half of the shape cover the complete another half of the shape. Another mirror halves shapes. Dotted lines are divided the shapes into mirror halves. Turn of the shapes. To explain the turn of the shapes, let me tell you a beautiful story. Story as follows. Once there was a king. He was upset because thieves kept stealing costly jewels from his locker. Here is what the locker looked like. The locker could be opened by giving its handle half a turn. Another half turn and the locker would be locked again. The king would often leave the locker open thinking it was locked. Can you guess the reason? The king would often leave the locker open thinking it was locked. Can you guess the reason? Because the lock looks like same while it's open and closed, so the king get confused. One day his clever daughter gave him an idea which he liked very much. Now he never got confused. Can you guess what the idea was? The idea was the king's daughter asked the king to put a dot on one of the yellow blades. Half turn of the shapes. One-fourth turn of the shapes.
Okay children, now it is our practice time. Question 1. Find out which letters in the English alphabet look the same after half a turn. Question 2. Which of these English words reads the same on half a turn?
Question 3. Give half a turn to the numbers from 0 to 9. Find which of them still the same looks. Solve the following problems.